Hello, students. In this video, we will discuss the past paper of the AGA Con Board 2022 for Class 11. Let's get started. In Q2, we are required to write a formal letter on any one of the given options, A or B. In Part A, we need to write an appraisal letter to the head of our school. In this letter, we must explain the reason for creating the form online and include 3 aspects that would enhance it. To answer this, follow the proper letter format. Clearly describe the reason for creating the form online, emphasizing benefits such as time efficiency and environmental friendliness. Additionally, include 3 key aspects to improve the form: self-assessment section, student and peer feedback, and professional development goals. Finally, conclude the letter with an optimistic closing statement. In Part B of Question 2, we need to write a personal statement to the university's admission committee. In this statement, we must describe 2 reasons why the committee should consider us for the program, regardless of our final exam results. Discuss 2 ways in which the program aligns with our future goals. To write an effective response, follow a proper structure. Introduction. Express enthusiasm for the program and highlight key interests. Why you should be considered, regardless of results. Emphasize academic performance, extracurricular achievements, and relevant skills. How the program aligns with your goals. Explain how it supports career aspirations and personal development. Conclusion. End on a positive note, showing eagerness to join the university. In Question 3, we are asked to write a composition on one of the 3 topics. In Question 3, Part A, you are asked to write a composition on a person from history you find fascinating and provide 3 reasons for your choice. To write a compelling composition, follow a structured approach. Introduction. Start by introducing the person briefly. Mention their significance and why they are fascinating. Body paragraphs. Choose 3 strong reasons for your choice. Explain each in separate paragraphs with supporting details. For example, discuss their contributions to education, humanitarian work, or leadership. Provide specific examples of their impact. Conclusion. Summarize the key points and reinforce why this person is remarkable. End with a strong statement about their lasting influence. We have write a sample, pause and read it. In Question 3, Part B, you are asked to write an essay on the rise of celebrity culture and provide 3 reasons to justify your opinion. To structure your essay effectively. Introduction. Begin by introducing celebrity culture and briefly stating your opinion on whether it has a positive or negative impact. Body paragraphs. Present 3 strong reasons to support your opinion. Each reason should be explained in a separate paragraph with examples. For instance, you can discuss how celebrity culture distracts people from real issues, creates unrealistic expectations, or invades privacy. Conclusion. Summarize your main points and restate your opinion clearly. End with a final thought on how society should engage with celebrity culture responsibly. Read the sample composition. In Question 3, Part C, you are asked to narrate an account based on a given scenario. To structure your response effectively. Introduction. Set the scene by describing the environment before the incident. Explain what you were doing and how everything seemed normal. Main event. Describe the sudden arrival of the masked men. Use vivid language to detail their appearance, movements, and your immediate reaction. Action and reaction. Explain what you did next. Did you hide, call for help, or follow them? Show emotions like fear, curiosity, or determination. Conclusion. Describe what happened next. Did the police arrive or did the men escape? Reflect on how the event impacted you. We have write a sample. Pause and read it. This is it for today. If you have any questions, write them in comment